In the complex realm of inbound supply chains, manual processes and fragmented data often leave businesses grappling for control, longing for a more coherent path forward. Enter Connected Supply Chain by Deloitte, a solution that brings order to the chaos of logistics. By centralizing processes on a single platform, Connected Supply Chain bridges otherwise disparate systems, delivering a clear and cohesive view of your ecosystem. It also elevates your data quality, offering real-time visibility and understanding that you need to make informed decisions, fast. Beyond a tech solution, our team shoulders the daily operational burdens, supporting your supply chain while keeping in step with you and your business. Discover the new era of transparency, insight, efficiency, resilience, and sustainability with Deloitte's Connected Supply Chain.